Welcome to the Center for Financial Literacy, located on the third floor of the Shea Library. This room consists of 22 student computers, a confidence monitor, an instructor computer, and a Samsung TV. It also has the ability to hook up a laptop in one of two ways. The way we are going to talk about today is through the Alpha Didact system, and that is the black HDMI cable labeled Didact system and notebook HDMI. The other HDMI cable is for the room system controlled here. The room is already on, and we have selected the Alpha Didact system. The Alpha Didact system does not project audio into the room, so if you would like to play a video through either your laptop or the instructor desktop, select the room features, as those will pass audio. The Alpha Didact once again does not pass audio, but it does have some really cool features which I'm going to explain now. Here's the control panel. Video off, hit that before you start, and confirm that no buttons are lit up. If a button is lit up, that means it's activated. There's an instruction sheet with the basic features, and as you can see, the first thing on the instructions is that video off button. Pictures of the buttons with instructions on what that particular combination will do. The basic features help you display one of three sources to three different locations. The more complicated features allow you to take over a student's computer and operate it from your lectern. I will not be getting into that, but the instructions are there with pictures of the buttons on how to do it. Again, we start off video off with no buttons selected. The first source you should be concerned about is the in-room desktop. Now, as you can see, I have three different screens in front of me here, each with a different image to help differentiate which screen is going where. The desktop with no buttons selected automatically goes to the confidence monitor. I'm going to hit this button right here, Project Instructor, and now you can see the desktop on the Samsung TV. If you would like to send the desktop computer to one of the students' computers, I will hit this instructor button, and that has selected the desktop as the source. You can send it to a particular computer, a group of computers, or all the computers. First thing we're going to do is explain how to send the desktop computer to either the Samsung TV, the students' computers, and by default the confidence monitor. So you select instructor, and then you can either hit this all button, which will send it to all of the computers in the classroom. Now, I only have one computer screen facing you, but the other 21 computers are showing the same thing that S2 computer is showing. And if you look, you can see that all of these 22 computer buttons are all lit up green, which means that they are all taking a signal. When I deselect the all button, you notice that all of the computers stop blinking. So that means the instructor is still selected, but it is not going anywhere. Now, should I want to send it to just one computer, I hit S2. And there it is. If I want to send it to just two computers, I would select the two computers I want to send it to, 3 computers, 4 computers, etc. I hit video off, and that clears where the instructor computer is going. I would now reselect instructor, and I'm going to send them everywhere again. I deselect all, and it stops going anywhere. The computer goes back to its own desktop. Now, the Samsung TV, I will hit Project Instructor. As you can see, it appears there. Next, I will show you how to work with the laptop. First thing we will do is select Notebook. It automatically sends it to the confidence monitor. Next, I will hit S2, and you can see that the notebook has appeared on the student's computer. Now, just like the desktop, I can choose all, just one, or however many computers I would like to send the laptop to. I am done sending the laptop. So I simply hit video off and it cleared all the selections. Again, I will select notebook. It's on the confidence monitor. And when I'm ready to send it to the Samsung TV, I hit project notebook. When I'm ready to send it to the students, I again have notebook selected. I select that particular computer, and there is the laptop image. I will hit video off, and it removed the notebook from the confidence monitor and the student's computer. This time, video off did not remove it from the Samsung TV, and you can see that project notebook is still illuminated. I'm going to hit that project notebook button now, and it has disappeared. So on the control panel, we have no buttons illuminated, nothing on the Samsung TV, the default desktop on the confidence monitor, and the student's computer is showing. So I have shown you the laptop, the desktop, and now I'm going to work with the student's computer. So the only computer I have logged in right now is this S2 computer, so I'm going to select S2. And much like when you selected the notebook with nothing else selected, it automatically goes to the confidence monitor. I will hit video off, and you can see the desktop came back. So the first thing I do is I hit S2. When I hit S2, it automatically assigned it to this instructor button to make the student computer appear on the confidence monitor. Now, this project button down here will make the student's computer show up on the Samsung. So this feature is very nice if you would like to highlight one particular student's work so the whole class can see it. And again, it was from the basic start of nothing selected. I hit the computer I want to highlight. It automatically goes to the confidence monitor. I hit the project button, and it now appears on the Samsung TV. So those are the three basic things you can do with this room. You can send a laptop to the confidence monitor, one student computer, all the way up to the full class of 22 student computers, and you can send it to the Samsung television. The desktop will also go to the confidence monitor, one of 22 computers for the students, as well as the Samsung TV. And then the other input source to the Didact system is one of 22 computers, which you can send to the confidence monitor and the Samsung TV. I hope these basic instructions have been helpful. Again, on the instruction sheet in the classroom are pictures and instructions of what the combination of buttons do. When you're done using the Alpha Didact system and the desktop computer, please log out by hitting the shortcut on the desktop. Do not turn off the computer as we run updates overnight.